We're looking at the owner's suite on board the brand newly refurbished Oceania Insignia. And sorry for the slamming door, but hey guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. So this is the largest accommodation you can book here on the R-Class vessels with Oceania. We're over 700 square feet, maybe close to 800. You do have a fully renovated half bath here. All brand new, beautiful marble, chrome sinks, of course, and mirrors with good storage space. In this area, little entry foyer. You do have Butler Service anytime you book a penthouse or above on Oceania, and that is your ship phone here, so you can call your butler from anywhere around the ship, order drinks, etc. to your liking. Have a look here in the main salon. So again, everything is brand new, fully updated here earlier in 2019. We're in October right now. Brand new chrome trim on all of the furniture. Looks really nice. Good corner couch. Oceania has some of the best artwork that you'll see on any cruise ship. And of course, welcome bottle of Pommery. Get petit fours, welcome fruit. Great new entertainment cabinet here. You do get 6 complimentary bottles set up from the bar. You can see some of the selections there quickly. So they have the brand new Samsung HD televisions with Sonos sound bars. This is the currents, it's the daily calendar on board. Tells you everything that's going on, activities, dining venues, etc. All the bottled water is complimentary on Oceania. Gratuities are not complimentary on Oceania unless you have them built in as part of one of your packages. And we're at the aft. We'll have a look outside here in just a bit. And this is the master bedroom area, of course, fully refurbished again. You can watch my old videos on the regatta from last year and you'll see it's night and day. It looks spectacular now. So brand new glossy wood tone side tables. Of course, we'll have the international and American plugs. Understated headboard. Another TV with soundbar here. And tons of storage space. Lighted inside, very nice. Of course, you'll have safes, hair dryers, all that kind of stuff they provide. This is the vanity mirror here. Of course, you get some really nice Bulgari amenities. They do have now brand new USB ports, American and international power plugs. Vanity mirror. And their life jackets there. We have a look in the master bath. Fully redone as well. Nice looking marble tile on the floor. You have a little scale there, see how much weight you're gaining throughout the cruise. Single sink configuration. And of course, only the best amenities here on Oceania. By the way, the Insignia is the world cruise vessel for Oceania. So for the next few years, if you want to do a world cruise on Oceania, it'll be right here on this one. So we have a rainfall shower head here and then a removable head. And a shower seat there. Some goodies there for you as well. Alright, let's head outside on the veranda. I'll finish up out back here. So you do have a large aft veranda here in the owner's suite. You got 2 lounge chairs here with towels. And of course we're in beautiful Miami today in October. That is Brickell Key and the bridge over to Key Biscayne. Sorry for the wind. Looks like they're refurbishing the dock here a bit. And you do have a full dining table. So your butler will serve dinner en suite inside or outside here as you desire. 3 meals a day from any venue on board. And it's a bit windy here in Port Miami, so why don't we finish up inside. Alright, great. Well, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing the owner's suite here on board the newly refurbished Oceania Insignia. Again, I am Mike. I am a luxury travel agent. I do represent and, of course, recommend Oceania Cruises. If you're seriously interested in booking a cruise here on Oceania, perhaps here in the owner's suite, perhaps on the full world cruise here on the Insignia, then I absolutely want to hear from you about it. And in most cases, I can make you a better deal than you can get on your own direct with the cruise lines. So, serious inquiries. If you live in the United States or Canada and you're not dealing with another travel agent already, I'd love to hear from you about it. And you can contact me today at the phone number down below or submit an inquiry on my website, affluentjourneys.com. Also, even if you've already booked that cruise recently and directly with Oceania's U.S. offices only, sorry, not through Europe or UK or Australia, can't help you on those. But if you're booked through North America, you're not paid in full, and once again, not through another travel agent, I might still be able to improve on that offer for you, and I'll be glad to do it. So, I'll be glad to hear from you in that case as well. Don't forget to like the video here, put your comments down below. What do you think of the new room? And subscribe here to Affluent Journeys on YouTube if you haven't already. That helps me a lot. If you want to see my luxury cruise deals, make sure to follow Affluent Journeys on Facebook. I put all my special offers and exclusive promotions, including those on Oceania, there. And give me a follow on Instagram. You'll see some other things that I do. Well, thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And please stay tuned for the next one.